guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be painting a watercolor galaxy, and if you're a beginner you should definitely try painting this because it's easy, fun, and the result I guarantee will be pretty satisfying. So let's just get started. So for the supplies that I will be using, I am using a 300 GSM hot pressed 25% cotton watercolor paper, and for my paints I'm using the Faber-Castell artist watercolor, and the colors will be listed in the description, and I think everything that I will be using will be listed in the description. For my brushes, I am using my brustro round brushes in these sizes, and the big brush I'll be using to put water on my paper, and a small detailer brush if I want to add little details. And since I don't have any painter's tape or masking tape, I'm using these washi tapes from Miniso. So I'm just adding water to my paper, and I'm just starting with some cobalt blue, and I'm starting from the top and bringing the paint down to the bottom because I kind of decided to do a galaxy themed night sky painting with some trees on the foreground. So I started with blue, and I'm just adding some magenta in random places because I just wanted that accent color. And then I'm adding purple similarly in random places. I just play around with it, and I wanted the middle part to be kind of white, so I'm taking a clean dry brush and picking up all the paint that I don't want. Then I wanted the edges to be kind of darker, so I'm taking some Prussian blue and bringing in the paint starting from the edges and the corners towards the middle, like that. Then I just wanted it to be a little more darker, so I'm mixing my Prussian blue with black and doing the exact same thing. Then there was, I think, too much of the blue and the black, and the whole painting was turning blue, so I'm going back to my magenta and my purple, and I'm adding that to the painting and clearing out the middle part so that it looks kind of white. And I just repeat this again and again and just play around with all the paint until I'm satisfied with what it looks like. And you can see I'm not really painting the bottom part of the painting because, as I said earlier, I wanted to paint some trees in the foreground. And then I'm going back with all my colors back and forth until I'm happy with what the painting looks like. After my first layer is dry, I went in with a second layer, but I'm so sorry I forgot to film it, but this is what it looks like. I just repeated the exact same steps that I did for the first layer, and this is what it looks like. I'm taking a stiff bristled brush and just splattering some white paint to create some stars. Then I'm taking my detailer brush and marking out wherever I want my trees to be. And I'm just drawing out the branches, and I'm taking my size 4 round brush and going in and filling in the trees. I'm going in with some white gel pen and adding more stars because all the stars that I've splattered before have pretty much disappeared into the background, so I'm just using my white gel pen to add some more. And now it's finally time to peel off the tape. So this is how it turned out. After everything is dry, I added a few more stars with my white gel pen. And I think that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe.